Hello and welcome to the 24-hour iodine load tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the process on how to complete the 24-hour iodine load test while also giving some helpful tips along the way. Before we get started, let's make sure that you have everything you need. Your collection kit should contain 1 4-litre collection bag, 2 plastic 1ml pipettes, 2 small Ziploc bags, 1 iodine sachet containing 4 individual tablets, 2 collection vials, 1 with a yellow lid and 1 with a white lid, and your instruction booklet. Your instruction booklet will also have a urine requisition form. This will be highlighted in yellow so that you can distinguish it from the other pages. As this test is looking at your iodine levels, there are a few things that you will need to avoid 48 hours before and during the 24-hour period. We advise to avoid any iodine supplements or any seafoods like fish and seaweed. It is also best to not use any salt or pink Himalayan salt during these times. If you have a known allergy to iodine, please do not start the collection and instead call us here at Functional Health Screening so we can give you some more options. Now let's move on to the collection process. It is best to start the 24-hour collection period of a morning when you wake up, as it means you will finish your test the next morning. To start your test, you'll need to collect your first morning urination in a large cup or container. This is not provided to you, but a large container or disposable cup is recommended. At this time, do not take the iodine tablets. You'll be advised to take the tablets after filling the yellow vial. Now, using a 1ml pipette, take a sample of urine from your first collection and place it in the yellow vial. Make sure the lid is screwed on tightly and wipe the vial clean. Place the vial in a Ziploc bag and keep in the refrigerator until the collection is complete. If you have any excess urine left from your first collection, please do not place this in the 4-litre collection bag and instead discard this. After filling the yellow vial, immediately swallow all 4 of the iodine tablets provided in this kit. This is the official start of your 24-hour collection. Now that you have filled your yellow vial and taken your iodine tablets, please make sure that you record the date and time that you filled your yellow vial on your requisition form. Again, this is the page highlighted in yellow in your instruction booklet. For the next 24 hours, you will need to collect each passing of urine into the 4-litre collection bag provided. It is best to first collect your urine in a separate container and then transfer it to the collection bag. You can now continue to go about your day, remembering to collect each passing of urine into the 4-litre collection bag. When the 24-hour collection period is finished, hold the collection bag by the top corners and read the total amount of urine excreted over the time period. Please round to the nearest 50 mL and record the amount on the yellow requisition form. Please note that without this information that we cannot complete your results. Ensure that the lid on the collection bag is securely closed and mix the urine gently by shaking the bag. Using a 1ml pipette, dispense a small sample from the bag into the white lid vial. Make sure that the lid is on tightly, wipe the vial dry and place in a Ziploc bag. Please keep the vial refrigerated until you're ready to post your samples back to the lab. After taking a sample and putting in the white lid vial, you can discard the contents of the collection bag by emptying into your toilet. Now that you have finished your 24-hour collection, please continue watching for shipping instructions, which can also be found on pages 2 to 3 of your booklet. If you fill the collection bag before the 24-hour period has finished, you have finished your collection. Please proceed to step 3 in your instructions or return to the point of 306 in this video to watch how to record your volume and fill the white vial. Before you send your samples back to the lab, let's make sure that you have everything ready to go. You should have 1 yellow vial and 1 white vial. You should also have your instruction booklet with the urine requisition form completed with all your details. Please make sure that you send the whole instruction booklet back with your samples, not just the urine requisition form. Included in your package is a prepaid express return label. To retrieve this label, you will need to follow the link below or the link found in your instructions to print it out from the Australia Post website. Once you have printed the label, place it on the padded bag provided and you are ready to send your samples. If you are having any troubles printing this label, we have created a tutorial video with the link provided below. You can also give us a call at Functional Health Screening and we are happy to help with printing your label. Once you have successfully printed off your Express Post return label, you can then drop your samples off at any Australia Post retail store or in any street post box. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call or email us here at Functional Health Screening.